Whoa, this water's way too cold. Feels like I'm freezing. Man, that water was freezing. Good thing I've got this fire to warm me up.
Let's go to the river and catch some fish.
All right, here we go. Time to find some fish and show them who's boss. Fresh from the river, straight to my belly. Let's go. Looks like we caught a big one. All we gotta do is wait now. Smells good already. This is gonna be delicious. Hey guys, now it's night. My stomach is full.
I will sleep now. See you tomorrow. Thank you.